What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and obviously my voice is getting worse. This is gonna be the last video. I'm gonna post some more videos, but they'll be like review videos that I've already filmed. So first up, we have this deal from Acme Tools on a DeWalt DWS779 miter saw. Okay, so this is like not the top of the line, but it's the second top of the line. The top of the line being the DWS 780, which is on sale at Lowe's for $100 extra. Now, the difference between the two is the XPS line. Okay, that's it. So this one casts a little shadow on your workpiece so you can see where you're cutting. Whereas this one does not have that, but you can buy a kit to add it. But I mean, like the kit's going to run you like $85. So then you gotta do all the work and avoids the warranty. It's better to just spend the extra $100 if that's what you want to do. Now, if you are going to buy one of these, don't forget that both Acme Tools and Lowe's has Rakuten. When you sign up with your new email address, you'll get $40 cash back when you spend $40. So if you get one of these, you're gonna get $40 cash back in addition to the 2% cash back over here at Rakuten and a 3% cash back over here at Lowe's. Moving on, we have this Makita blower kit. Now, this is not a terrible deal just because it comes with two 5 amp hour batteries and that dual charger. I saw that, and honestly, when it comes to Makita, the batteries are the most exciting thing for me right now. But this is not a bad blower at 473 CFM. Search for the 279 as a kit. So you have that there. Moving on over to Lowe's. There, like everybody's having this buy more, save more on their pack out type kits. Cobalt. There was another one I had. I don't even know what happened to it. I had it up. So anyway, you have the Flex. So if you got the Flex one with the 3 drawers. So when it comes to these things, my boy, I'm livening up. Now, let's go on over to the Milwaukee pack out real quick. This medium box sucks. Also, so does the bottom box, but you need that to roll it around. But if you can swing it, don't get this medium box. You want one with drawers because it's annoying to have to remove this and then drop the handle and then open this up and then go in there and get what you need and then put this back on top. Forget all that, man. You want to be able to just have a drawer so you can get to it without taking this whole thing apart. The top drawer is fine, the small one, because you can carry this around. This can be very convenient. So I recommend you get that middle drawer, but with the Milwaukee, that's going to run you a nice little penny. I haven't worked the math out totally, but they have a buy more, save more, and that middle one alone is like $179. Over here with the Flex, it's 108, and then your bottom box is $94, and this is $54, $257 for that whole thing with this 3 drawers. Hey, that's a good deal, man. That is a good deal right there. Nobody else is touching that. So let's move on. I'm about to say maybe DeWalt, but no, they're not. Nobody's touching that. All right, moving on. And then let's just talk about it. The Flex is just good. Very reminiscent of the Milwaukee. They made this to be modular in terms of being customizable. So they have the little rails on the edge right here that you can add things to. The hinges have like struts on them, which may actually kind of get in the way. I don't know, but very well constructed. I like it. So I'm gonna leave a link to all 3 of those in the description so you can go ahead and add them, or just a link to one, and then you could do your little buy more, save more through that listing. Let me just show you how to do that. Even though you guys are smart, you know how to do it. So right here, you click buy eligible items, and then you can add everything from here, and then also to keep track of how much you're spending. So there you go. Moving on, again, Metabo HPT is having a little BOGO deal over here at Lowe's. If you buy a framing nailer, 21 degree, you'll get, and this is a kit, so it comes with their new 18-volt 4 amp hour battery, charge in the bag. It's gonna have some little safety goggles in there, and then also it comes with a circular saw for $369. Not a bad deal there. Or you can get the 30-degree one as well for the same price. So yeah, I'll leave links to both of those. Moving on over here to Home Depot again. We already talked about the buy more, save more going on with the pack outs. But again, you could just get the original pack out for $219, honestly, or you can play around with this. If you spend $299, you'll save $90. But again, this little middle 3 drawer one is $179 compared to that flex. I would go try the flex, man. Be honest with you, that's gonna be your best bang for the buck, unless you don't care about the 3 drawer system and you just want the 3 stack. Then you want DeWalt. Then I like DeWalt. I like the Milwaukee. I like the Flex. I like the original Rigid. So this is going to be really the best bang for your buck if you don't mind the drawers. So this is going to come with a deep tray along with the 3 other pieces for $181. And then for $178 you'll get the shallow. And then if you just wanted these 3 without the trays, it's gonna cost you $259 or $249, something way more. So why would you do that, right? So that's that. Then we have this Milwaukee M12, and I gotta think. Oh man, I closed it out, dude. I had left the comments up so I could shout you out, but one of you guys in the comments yesterday found this deal. Nobody else was talking about it, but we got it here now. So we have this the new gen impact driver with the 3 LED lights, M12 fuel, comes with a CP 2.0 battery, charger bag for $99. Excellent deal right here if you're into this girthy handle right here, which I don't like. I don't like this tool. I mean, it's powerful, it performs great, but I hate the ergonomics on it. If you wanted something a little more ergonomically friendly, you could go this DeWalt. Now I know it's like, yo, that's double the price. That is true, but you are getting a drill, you're getting 2 batteries, and you're also getting your choice of another free gift of your choosing over here. So this is more bang for your buck. You spending double the money, but you are getting more bang for your buck. And you could also, if you didn't mind the extra legwork, you could sell the extra 2 tools, a battery, and I'm sure you'll be less than $100 at that point. This also has modes and everything, but the ergonomics on this impact driver is just flawless. This one is better. So there you have that. Almost done. Just want to go over some clearance deals over at Vevor. They have this digital torque wrench. I have the orange updated version, but I'm pretty sure this works just as good. And it's digital, $57.99. This goes from 3.1 foot-pounds to 62 foot-pounds. Then they have another one on clearance that goes from 1.1 foot-pounds to 22 foot-pounds for $63. It has the case and the sockets and all of that. This one is not on sale, but this one's on clearance too. This one goes from 5 to 99 foot-pounds. Now the half-inch ones are not on clearance, but they are cheap. So this one goes from 7 to 147 foot-pounds for $9. And you could just look at all these yourself. And this one's going to go to $250. And this one is, also $89. And this one is on clearance. But honestly, for the same price, you can get the newer updated version. That also goes to $250, but I will say I like this handle. I just like the ergonomics of this one better, frankly. So there you have that. Also, don't forget your Rakuten. And while I'm here, I know I'm almost at the end of the video, but if you get any value from this video, please leave me a like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about the video. Let YouTube know that I'm doing a good job so other people can take advantage of these deals during this holiday season. I appreciate you very much. Now, also, we have this Vevor oil filter socket set. Look, if you've ever worked on a German car, you know you can't just use your hand to twist that thing off. It's a little filter inside of a canister, and you need a little tool. So they have this 14-piece set for $29.99. Then they have the super comprehensive 30-piece set for $51.99. And if you go and look on Amazon for anything that comes even close to this, where is it? It was one that had quite a few. I'm not even gonna try to say that. My voice hurt. 31 pieces, and this comes with it comes with other little things that they count as pieces, which is not adapters. That's $92. Then you have this B tool, which is so-called 23 pieces, but 2 of the pieces are something else, and a lot of them include the case as a piece for $40. So Vevor is going to be your best bet right here, $51.99. And then finally, over here, also at Amazon, we have this DeWalt Mechanic Set 192 piece. Man, look at this thing. That has swivel adapters, 3 of them. Every size, has a whole bunch of different extensions, every size. The only pitfall is lots of sockets. The only downside to this set right here is the fact that the ratchets are only 72 teeth. If these things were like at least 90 tooth, man, this would be perfect. 120 tooth, oh my God. But it's 154 right there. And as you can see, according to Honey, this has been the lowest price in the past 120 days. So that is it for today's video. I'm gonna have to get my voice back before I can make another one, unfortunately. Follow the Facebook group so you can see some extra deals. And stay tuned for some reviews. Hopefully they're helpful. And I'll see you guys next time.